In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is dimensions of R3, R4. Solution theorem, that is let x and y be vector spaces over the field F with dimension x equal to m and dimension y is equal to n, then dimension xy is equal to mn, since dimension of R3, dimension of R4, so dimension of R3 is equal to 3 multiply dimension of R4 is equal to 4, so 4 times is 12. So option D is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.